Hello guys, so nandito na po tayo sa palarong pangbansa here at Agusan Sur. So, where's my mother? Alinay nanay, tara na! Here. Lalawigan ng Agusan del Sur. O, diba? So, let's go. So, ay mga booth diri apa pa yung nga pud ko nanay. Kadi mang waterproof. Ayan. Ulan-ulan pa jud. This time nagulan-ulan. So naaday diri ang mga booth. Look at the so dito. Yung mga ambulance. Oh, grabe no. Here na napay. Diha nagkuha na siya, nag-speech kasi last day naman today. So, mo ni siya diri ang nice kay no. Okay lang medyo hapit na mo gabi pero at least. So, look here guys, it's very secured. Very secure. Here. Ala, si Gob.
We stand as a province that has already been witnessed.
Si Gob nanay.
And the people who made it happen, the ones at 2 a.m., the ones whose names were never called, the ones who drove home exhausted and came back anyway, they are the real gold medalists of Palaro to Angsu. Daghang salamat. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang mga atletang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang palarong pambansa. Mabuhay ang Agusan del Sur. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas! Gentlemen, ladies, the province of Agusan del Sur loves you! Magandang hapon po.
Maraming salamat.